Welcome to Iceland's south coast.
We're here in Vik on one of its world-famous black sand beaches.
We can't just sit here sunbathing all day, though. There's way too much to explore. Come with us.
Yeah.
Iceland is truly the land of fire and ice. While our visit to the volcano spewing liquid hot magma checks the box for fire, today we're taking you to Iceland's icy south coast. We'll be walking on Europe's largest glacier and kayaking in its iceberg lagoon. We're using the town of Vik as home base for this leg of the journey in another darling Airbnb. In our 4 years of travel, we've shared that life on the road isn't all staged photos and slow-motion twirls.
We're Tim and Finn, and whether we're stuck in the mud, stuck in the rain, or stuck at the border, we're sharing the unfiltered reality of it all.
Subscribe to join the adventure on Tripped.
Oh, this is gonna be epic! Glacier! Oh, it's so cute. I like when it's a little dark. Oh my, another elf house. Or the last one. Oh my gosh. This is so cute.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, it is 10 to midnight. Excuse me. Oh. It's freezing. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, right to sleep.
Solo mission today. Finny decided to sit this one out because, anyway, this hike is supposed to take 3 to 4 hours to do. It is 5:30 right now. Let's see how fast we can get this done. Hey, as I was going through my pockets on my rain gear, I found my Waterfall entry ticket from back in Vietnam. Iceland and Vietnam. Always pack your rain gear. Well, I felt really stupid coming out on a hike looking like this, but I just passed a group of absolutely miserable looking hikers, and one of them even said out loud, "Oh my God, you dressed right." So I feel a little bit better. Okay, this is really cool. I'm glad I walked out here. If you're planning on coming out here, it's 20 after 6 now. It took me 50 minutes to walk from the parking lot with filming. So what, 2.5 hours to hike out here, film probably. Yeah, that is so moody. I don't know if this is bad luck taking off flying from inside a plane wreck, but there's just a little bit of a break in the rain, so we're doing this now. This rain is frustrating. I don't want to ruin Chappie. It's just such a cool photo spot. One good thing about the gross weather is I got that plane wreck all to myself for like half an hour before anybody showed up. If you're coming by this way, definitely come out here. The photos are just so awesome from there. I wanted to get to the front of the plane and stand on top, but it's all really wet. It's all really wet aluminum, and I didn't want to slip, cut myself, and bleed out in the rain all alone. It sounds pretty sad. Anyway, on to the next thing.
Now that I'm warm and toasty and ready to go and have our entire next trip booked, which is just fun to book another trip while you're on a trip, we are here at another one of Iceland's iconic waterfalls. Iceland has so many iconic waterfalls, you can't go to all of them, but for us, visiting Skogafoss at 60 meters tall was a must. Apart from its raw natural beauty, our main purpose for visiting this waterfall was to visit a film location from the movie Eurovision and film for our music video reenactment for the trailer for this Iceland series. So please enjoy that 2-minute ridiculous music video parody in another video if you haven't already. We also used it as a photo location for our business trip travel gear, because shooting photos for marketing is always a fun challenge, and standing under this waterfall in the rain was a great way to showcase its capabilities. The next morning, we hit the road early for our booked 2-part tour on the Glacier and at the Iceberg Lagoon. As usual on this channel, we're paying customers, and we booked with Arctic Adventures, who offered a taste of both, which was a great way to manage time, getting to do a lot in a single day.
Yeah, good stuff. We will be going on this glacier, which is called Lagoon. Then it will get a lot of water.
Here's what I'm gonna say. No one has been more excited ever in his entire life to have an ice axe. Like, you could give this to me and leave me in the parking lot and I'd happily pay for this tour.
Whoa, look at that food on there. This is nuts. Wait, this thing, we're not gonna fall backwards?
I know, I feel so powerful.
Ooh.
Global warming.
You really gotta trust these things. Follow the path or death. So exciting. Man, that's you, like, I'm just surprised you don't fall backwards. Oh, there's a Viking push-up station.
If you have a bird, it must be dripping in the water, otherwise you're an imposter on the start. And this can be done only on the glacier, so take full advantage of that.
It's about form here.
Oh yeah. Whoa! 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 Hey! Tens of millions of years old. Definitely a glacier. Yeah. Well, that one isn't dangerous. You just float at the top. Just tread water.
We're here in the Arctic tundra of Europe's largest glacier. We're on what seems to be the easiest of the 4 types of walking tours on this glacier. Our fearless leader has done a great job of teaching us about ice safety, walking in crampons, and tilting the camera 30 degrees to create the illusion of high altitude glacier climbing.
All right now you could be at a snowbank in a parking lot, so we're gonna just get real low.
And you have to kick it. Okay, kick at the ice. Yes, good stuff. Yeah.
What if I just tilt it like this now? Yeah, add more gravity. Give yourself more weight down. Whoa! Whoa! Get it! All right, cool. Today we're climbing glaciers. First time. It's not a big deal. It's really not a big deal. Woo!
We're wrapping up our time on the glacier. It's been a blast. The crampons are a total challenge, but it's so worth it for everything that we're looking at. Oh, and this, thank you elves for the sun again. This is only halfway on this awesome tour.
Surprise, surprise. Glacier's still over there. Now we're going for icebergs. It's an icy, cold day.
Good. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful, but I know you can already see that. We did 2 half-day tours, the Glacier walk and the kayaking in the lagoon, and I think that was a perfect little flavor of each. It wasn't like the most in-depth of both, but it was a perfect one full day, and I totally recommend. So fun.